it's me, Brandy. Welcome back to another video. I know I have a big knot in my hair. Let's just ignore the fact. How about it? And how to make this reindeer Christmas kind of reindeer toilet paper roll thing. It's really cute. I will go get my Rudolph one and I'll show you pretty much the style and how it's made. Be right back. But this is the style, and just to go to with Rudolph the nose reindeer, I made a little Santa Claus. It's not actually orange. It's actually red. It just shows up orange. That's actually yellow. It just doesn't look the same. This looks exactly the same. And I actually hot glued the antlers. So these are the ingredients you'll need. You'll need is a black Sharpie, brown marker, I'm using Crayola, followed by a brown crayon. This is called burnt sienna. A 10-color crayon. This is called tumbleweed. Glue stick. This is upside down. Glue stick. Scissors. White paper. Hot glue. A hot glue gun. Make sure not burn yourself. Supervision. Get your tan crayon and a piece of paper. And then start coloring it. Oh, by the way, I forgot an ingredient. Oh, you'll also need a toilet paper roll. You can always place a book, or if you have a clipboard, you can do that, or make a clipboard for a hard surface. Once you're done coloring it, I know mine looks pretty scratchy. Flip it over, like so, and measure your toilet paper roll. Start from the end. Hold it down with one finger, but if it is pretty stable, you can always, but while measuring, I suggest holding it down in the middle so it's easier. Then make a line where you need to cut, and then roll it. And make a line when the whole toilet paper roll is covered. And make sure to leave a little bit of excess, like I did, just for that snug room. Cut on the lines, I suggest just cutting all the way through, and then make a cut so you have a piece. Paper, you can always go back with the crayon and color in all those places that are still white, and you can fix that. I like mine because it's not perfect, and I think the white looks like scratches in the fur. Very next thing you want to do, sweep, and then taking your glue stick, just rub glue. You can always hot glue this part if you trust it and you've already done this before, you're just making another one. But if this is your first time, I'm just using a glue stick just because it's a lot easier and I don't end up burning myself. Just go ahead and put them like that, and then you have to lay your toilet paper roll on the ends, making sure it's still measured, and then just start rolling. If your glue does dry, make sure to put it on the bottom make sure you have like a purple line around, measuring to make it look like a square. And you can put a tiny bit of glue in the middle, but make sure you have that rounder. And I just do this before it dries. And then roll it. Make sure keeping it even. Keep rolling until the whole cover. Sorry for the background, but just keep rolling until you have a solid toilet paper roll. Like moi. Now, since you already have your toilet paper roll, we are going to be making the eyes. That's that. Take a piece of paper. Take a piece of paper. You want to fold it. Perfectly. Now, since it's folded, you want to make a full circle. But don't make it too big, because reindeers don't have humongous eyeballs. So, now you have 2 eyeballs. Same size. Make sure to cut on the line so it's not, like, make sure to cut through this line. And make it just a full circle. And then, this is where the fun part. Make a C. And then make 2 little C's in the eyeball. And then fill the rest in with the black. So now you have these kawaii eyes. Do the same exact thing, pointing the same exact way. So it's like looking in the same exact direction, like so. Since you're done with your eyeballs, I have mine. Let me just get them. I have my 2 eyeballs. They're both looking the same exact direction. I'm going to use my glue stick for this. You can always use your hot glue gun, or some people have a mini hot glue gun. I don't. I want one though, because they're just so freaking adorable. And there's glitter glue sticks. So I need. So they look really weird. But we can't judge a reindeer by its eyes. So yeah. Now you want to cut another circle out of non-folded. You can always cut them like I do sometimes. I make a line and then I cut a circle out of it. I want to make sure that's not bigger than their eyes, because it can't be bigger than their eyes. But you just want to make it look really rounded. Oh my god, that's so little. But heck, as I said, can't judge a reindeer by its eye or nose. So fill it in with the brown. Or if you're making Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, I'm not making 2 Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer just because there's only one legendary Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So now we're just going to make him a little buddy. There we go. We have a little nose. I am going to hot glue mine on just because. Why I didn't hot glue my eyes on, I have no idea. The reason I'm hot gluing my nose on, I have no idea. But, I mean, I am. And he's starting to look like a squirrel. He's so cute. Now we're going to add their signature mouth. Their little thing. It's so adorable. Like, literally, that's adorable. They're going to be little buddies. Okay, the last step is their little antlers, which I figured out was the hardest thing. So I just pretty much learned how to do it, but it was really hard. Sorry. Trying to make this easier. So next you just want to cut your antlers out. Did I say horns? I meant antlers. I'm cutting mine out. And I'll be right back once I'm done cutting mine. I'm done with my antlers. Where'd the other one go? Nah. I'll be right back once I find the other one. Okay, so I couldn't find it, so I just made a different looking one, which I actually think. I'm going to add a black outline to match the other one because I actually drew it out of a Sharpie, so it has like a black outline. I feel like it will match a lot better if I just do a little bit of black in it. So now I'm going to be placing them. I'm going to be putting my thing right here. Placing them exactly where I want them. Like so. And then I'm going to be standing them up and then putting a little bit of hot glue on the end. Oh no. Yep, right down below. Hot gluing them to the reindeer. That's good enough. And then doing the same exact thing to the other one. Doing the same exact thing to the other antler. So, there we go. So, I'm going to move the camera and show you guys my little buddies. Meet Dasher and Rudolph. They're two little buddies. Cute. So, thank you for watching this video. Oops. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you later. Hold on, let me fix you guys really quick. Okay. So yeah, peace, this way, bye, heart face, pew. See you in my next video. Comment down below if you want me to teach you guys how to make this little guy to go with his little reindeers. And I will be making new Christmas decorations like some other ones. And our Christmas name is Kitten Christmas. So follow me on Instagram, and if you happen to make any of my Christmas DIYs or anything, use the hashtag Kitten Christmas. And for my other DIYs, if you happen to create any of those, use the Kitten DIYs. Hashtag Kitten DIYs. So on Instagram, and mine is, there's actually a couple of them, but mine is Kin for Life _ 10 Meow. I'm sorry it's such a long name. It's just two other channels, that I got locked out of. So I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye! Be safe with using a hot glue gun. Always get parents' permission or you can shoot yourself in the head.